morning. I'm going to help you navigate the library at Weber State University. We're going to be looking at a few buttons across the top. OneSearch, the catalog, database, and the help button. So we're going to start with the catalog button. You can type in your search here or go to advanced search. The advanced search, you can type in the title if you know it, author, subject. Since we know our subject is going to be education and technology, you can type that in. You have ands, ors, or nots. To include more in those titles, or would be your synonyms, education, training, or learning. Not would exclude things. These are actual physical books, videos, DVDs that are housed on the Davis campus or the in the Stewart Library at Weber State. Okay, the next search button that we want to look at is the database. The databases are all the databases that the Weber Library has access to. These would be the beginning letters of the data title, databases that they have. If you know that, you can just type that in, or you can do a search, or you can do academic search ultimate. The search ultimate is kind of nice because you can just go directly to what you're looking for. Advanced search. So we want technology and education. You would type those in, and you can go back down here and do some other choices, scholarly, full text, the date range, etc., and search. So that is your databases. You have databases in education that would show you what the education, what they have in education. So let's go to education. This is really fun because it actually shows you the librarian that's in charge of the databases for education. These top ones are the best bets to click on and do your searches with. So databases, 18 for education, which is good. The next one that we're going to look at is OneSearch. That is your search that's on that home page. That is the default there. You click on that. You can type it in or do an advanced. Again, here is your advanced search. This is more of a Google search, and it does all the things that Weber State has available to you. You can do in the years, type, the discipline that you're looking at. I'm just going to quickly do that so that we can see what there's 101 results for what I had typed in, and that's not bad. Or you might want to narrow it or broaden it depending on what you see. The next thing that we want to look at the home page on Weber State University is the help button. The help button is really good because there you can actually contact a librarian, text, call, interface, or email. Also at the bottom right, you can chat with a librarian. You can it's basically an email. You text directly here and send it off. They will get back to you and help you. I hope some of the things that we looked at today will help you in your search and navigation of the library resources available to you.